November 2023, patrol officers saw two males standing in the middle of the roadway next to a double-parked vehicle. As the officers got closer, one of the males, later identified as Jackson Romero, who was 26 at the time of this incident, turned and began to run away, grabbing a satchel that was across his chest. Believing this male was armed, a foot pursuit then ensued. Here you can see officers pull up next to the double-parked car, and you can see Romero, who is on the left of the screen, quickly dart away before officers give chase. Romero removed the satchel and threw it to the ground. He then ran out of the officer's sight. Officers then surrounded the area they believed Romero was hiding and radioed for K-9 backup.
We're going northbound. Approaching point. Let me get a perimeter. Suspect's gonna be running. Let's go. Do the houses. Let me get a perimeter to West Lake. Bonnie Bridge, North, Beverly. No Hispanic, gray.
Toss it.
You can see it. You want to get 3 blocks or 1 block.
Officers were able to locate and retrieve the satchel Romero had discarded. The satchel was located next to a car in someone's driveway. When Romero would not give himself up, a police K-9 was deployed in order to find and apprehend the suspect. The following footage may be disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
I feel like I got assaulted there by that pole. We can push up. Just grab that corner.
More jungle.
Push up. Flats! Do you see him? Flats! Let go of him! Flats!
Let go
Flats!
of the dog.
Flats! Let's push up. Flats!
Oh,
Flats!
stop screaming. Bro, I can't. Bro, you can't let go. Getting the dog off.
Los!
He won't let go, bro.
Flats! You shouldn't have been grabbing him.
I didn't grab him.
I gotta get him here. Los!
Put your hands up.
Los!
There you go.
Los!
Oh!
Flats!
Bro! Oh! I can't feel my foot!
Los!
Bro!
You got him, Mike?
Bro! I didn't do nothing, bro! Bro, please get him off me, bro!
Los!
Bro, I can't.
Los!
Bro, no, bro!
Los!
Ah!
Los! Los! Los!
Oh!
Los!
Fuck, bro!
Los!
Bro, he's getting home!
Romero was then successfully taken into custody by the officers.
Step on up. Step on up. Let me see your other hand. Come on, the other hand. Just like that. Now don't move. Okay?
Hold on, bro. You gotta stand up, dog. It's kind of heavy.
Okay.
Romero needed to be taken to the hospital for the wounds he sustained. The district attorney later filed charges for felon in possession of a firearm and absentee booked. A blue steel semi-automatic 9mm handgun and a black satchel were recovered and booked as evidence. After this incident, the K-9 was deselected and is no longer conducting K-9 searches. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing so we can continue to bring you more content each day.